Hello dear viewers, welcome to Hammad Travels and Tourism, your reliable guide to the most fascinating corners of the globe. We're here to turn your travel dreams into reality, offering you unforgettable experiences that won't break the bank. Our mission is simple, to inspire, guide and facilitate your journey to the world's most amazing destinations. From the seasoned globetrotter to the novice adventurer, our commitment is to provide quality, memorable and affordable travel experiences to all. Hammad Travels and Tourism is more than just a travel agency. We're a community of travel enthusiasts, bonded by our shared love for discovery, adventure, and the enchanting allure of the unknown. Our values are deeply rooted in respect for cultures, sustainability, and a relentless pursuit of excellence. So, whether you're a seasoned traveler or embarking on your first adventure, we've got your back. Today, we invite you to join us on a virtual tour of the iconic city of London. Our first stop is the historic Tower of London, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This fortress, steeped in almost 1,000 years of history, has stood as a symbol of royalty and power. Its structure, a testament to the architectural prowess of the Normans, has withstood the test of time and still dominates the London skyline. The Tower of London has played a multifaceted role throughout its existence. It has been a royal palace, a treasury, a menagerie, and even a prison. Each role has left an indelible mark on its walls, making it a treasure trove of stories and legends. The White Tower, the oldest part of the complex, is the heart of the Tower of London. It was built by William the Conqueror in the 11th century and served as a royal residence for many years. Today it houses a collection of arms and armors, showcasing Britain's military history. A must-see during your visit is the Crown Jewels exhibition. This glittering collection of regalia and jewels is still used by the Queen in royal ceremonies. The imperial state crown, the sovereign's orb, and the sovereign's scepter with cross are amongst the many mesmerizing pieces you will encounter. The intricate craftsmanship and the sheer brilliance of the gemstones are bound to leave you awestruck. The beefeaters or yeoman warders are another unique feature of the tower. These ceremonial guardians have been protecting the tower since the Tudor times. They are not just guards but also storytellers, sharing tales of intrigue, betrayal and heroism that have unfolded within the tower's walls. The Tower of London is more than just a monument, it's a window into Britain's rich and tumultuous history. Each stone, each artifact, each echo of the past adds a new layer to the story of this remarkable place. A visit to London isn't complete without stepping into the history-laden halls of the Tower of London. So, whether you're a history enthusiast, a lover of architecture, or simply curious about the stories this ancient fortress holds, the Tower of London is a must-visit destination on your London itinerary. Next we're off to Buckingham Palace, the residence of the Queen. This grand edifice, steeped in history, serves as a symbol of the British monarchy, a testament to centuries of tradition and power. It's not just a home, but a working palace, bustling with the daily tasks of ruling a kingdom. Buckingham Palace, initially known as Buckingham House, dates back to the early 18th century. It was built for the Duke of Buckingham and later acquired by King George III. Over the centuries it has evolved and expanded, reflecting the changing tastes and needs of successive monarchs. Today it houses 775 rooms, including 19 staterooms, 52 royal and guest bedrooms, and 78 bathrooms. One of the highlights of a visit to Buckingham Palace is the changing of the guard ceremony. This ritual is more than a spectacle. It's a symbol of the continuity of the monarchy, a daily reminder of the unbroken line of kings and queens who have ruled Britain for over 1,000 years. The guards, in their iconic red uniforms and bearskin hats, perform this ceremony with a precision and solemnity that leaves visitors in awe. A tour of the palace would be incomplete without a visit to the staterooms. These grand rooms, adorned with priceless works of art and opulent furnishings, are used by the Queen and the royal family to receive and entertain guests on state, ceremonial and official occasions. From the grandeur of the throne room to the intricate details of the white drawing room, each stateroom tells its own story. And let's not forget the palace gardens. Covering an impressive 40 acres, they provide a tranquil oasis in the heart of London. The gardens are home to more than 350 types of wildflowers, as well as a lake and a tennis court. Buckingham Palace, an epitome of royalty, truly encapsulates the spirit of London. It's more than a building, it's a living, breathing symbol of a nation and its history. It's a place where the past meets the present, where tradition meets innovation, and where every visitor can feel a part of the ongoing story of Britain. Let's immerse ourselves in the energy of Covent Garden, London's cultural epicenter. This pulsating heart of London is a delightful blend of old and new, where centuries-old traditions meet contemporary entertainment. Once a flourishing fruit and vegetable market, Covent Garden has evolved into a bustling hub of culture and commerce. Just take a moment to imagine, hundreds of years ago, the area buzzing with merchants selling their fresh produce. The echoes of their voices haggling over prices still reverberate through the cobblestone streets. Today, these same streets are filled with the melodic strains of street performers, the laughter of delighted audiences, and the tantalizing aromas of international cuisines wafting from nearby restaurants. Speaking of performers, Covent Garden is renowned for its street theater. Performers from around the globe gather here to showcase their talents. From jugglers and acrobats to musicians and living statues, there's always something to captivate your attention. Each performance is a testament to the area's vibrant spirit and commitment to the arts. But the entertainment doesn't stop at street level. Covent Garden is also home to some of London's most prestigious theaters. Whether you're a fan of world-class ballet, opera, or cutting-edge contemporary theater, there's a show waiting here to sweep you off your feet. And let's not forget about the shopping. Boutique shops, high-street brands, and luxury labels line the streets, offering a shopping experience as diverse as the city itself. Whether you're on the hunt for the latest fashion trends, unique souvenirs, or gourmet treats, you're sure to find it here. Then, when you've had your fill of shopping and entertainment, why not unwind at one of the many cafes, pubs, or restaurants? Each offers a unique flavor and ambiance, adding to the area's rich tapestry. In essence, Covent Garden is more than just a destination. It's an experience. It's a place where you can feel the pulse of the city, soak in its energy, and immerse yourself in its dynamic culture. Covent Garden, where culture, commerce, and history converge in a vibrant mix. Finally, we ascend the London Eye, a modern marvel that offers panoramic views of the city. This architectural masterpiece, gracefully rising above the south bank of the River Thames, is a symbol of 21st century London, reflecting its innovative spirit and bold vision. Imagine an enormous bicycle wheel, but one that stands upright, towering over the cityscape. That's the London Eye for you. It's not just any Ferris wheel though, it's the tallest in Europe, a whopping 135 meters high. To put that into perspective, it's more than 20 times taller than a double-decker bus. The construction of the London Eye was no small feat. It involved the meticulous assembly of over 32 capsules, each weighing about 10 tons. These capsules, quite like high-tech observatories, are designed to provide an immersive experience, rotating slowly to give you a full 360-degree view of the city. As you step into one of these capsules and begin your ascent, the city of London unfurls before you like a vast, sprawling tapestry. From this vantage point, you get to witness the city's iconic landmarks in all their glory. The majestic Houses of Parliament, the historic Tower of London, the bustling Covent Garden, and of course the regal Buckingham Palace. It's a sight that's bound to leave you spellbound. But it's not just the landmarks that catch your eye. As you rise above the city, you see the Thames snaking its way through the city, the bustling streets, the verdant parks, and the vibrant neighborhoods. It's like watching the city's heartbeat from up above. A testament to London's dynamic spirit and its ever-evolving narrative. As your journey on the London Eye comes to an end, you are left with an unforgettable impression of London. A city that seamlessly marries history and modernity, tradition and innovation, grandeur and simplicity. From the London Eye, the city stretches out before you, a testament to both its historic past and vibrant present. And that concludes our virtual tour of London with Hammad Travels and Tourism. From the historic Tower of London, where centuries of history echo in the stone walls, to the majestic Buckingham Palace, the heart of British royalty. We've navigated through the vibrant Covent Garden, a place where culture, shopping, and entertainment collide in a beautiful cacophony. And who could forget the iconic London Eye, a modern masterpiece that provides breathtaking views of the city's skyline. Through it all, Hammad Travels and Tourism has been your guide, illuminating the unique features of each location visited. Our mission is to provide memorable travel experiences, to help you explore, learn, and fall in love with new places. Whether it's the historical charm or modern marvels, we're here to help you uncover the magic that lies in every corner of the world. Thank you for joining us on this journey. We hope to accompany you on your next adventure. Until then, safe travels.